Well, I think we know what time it is. This is day 4, so we're going to be on project 4. Kind of a couple part day. I need to do a dump run. I have a Durango coming back in to have a little look-see, sticky brake or something. That's the thing. There's always something to do. I figured it out. There's got to be at least an hour every day spent on yard work. Be that cutting grass, hauling garbage, picking up stuff that's blowing into the yard, dog poop. I'm gonna start looking at all my yard work stuff though as a side quest, not part of the main project. Gonna get into something more fun here shortly. I've also made a deal with myself that every 5 or 6 days of getting stuff I don't want to do done, I get to do something I really want to do.
Let's do a dump run.
I have a spot for these, remember? I detoured a little further than just the dump. I'm going to the gym. Healthy body, healthy mind. I don't have either right now. Man, my glasses didn't fall the way I was hoping they would. There you go. You know, I probably went grocery shopping too while I was at it, and I didn't get home until supper time. But here we are fixing the Durango. It's got a stuck brake pad. Topped up some fluids while it was in here. And get out of the way. On to bigger and better things tomorrow. This has been a Herb Jones production.